Did Christina Applegate get plastic surgery? Is that why she looks so different? I don't know if you guys have seen pictures of Miss Applegate. She definitely looks a lot different than she used to in TV shows like Married with Children, or even movies more recently, like Anchorman. There's been a huge change, and I guess people are accusing her of plastic surgery. These are my thoughts on the issue. Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jonathan Zelken, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Newport Beach, here to give the people what they want, which is not always my take on cutting-edge topics in plastic surgery. Sometimes it has to do with my opinions on celebrity plastic surgery, and so here I am today. Christina Applegate is definitely a pillar of the acting community in the US. I mean, she, more than most actors of her age, has such a full and important pedigree of TV roles and movie roles, and really has she's not typecast in any way. She's really honestly this very vibrant American stronghold in the acting community. She recently got her own Hollywood star, and she is just somebody to idolize, to admire. But what is up with this change, this appearance change? She looks a lot different, and not necessarily for the better. Something has really changed in her, and as you kind of leaf through these sort of now and then type photographs, there is this appearance, this swollen appearance to Miss Applegate that has gotten many of the audience to think that this is plastic surgery, and bad plastic surgery at that. But I don't think so. As I've discussed in the past with actors like Zac Efron and Gwen Stefani, you can't always assume people have plastic surgery or bad plastic surgery, especially when they deny it. You've got to respect that these actors and actresses are still human beings who are entitled to their own privacy and secrecy. But also, if there's no obvious evidence of plastic surgery, who are you, the community, to say that she's or he's had plastic surgery? There's just no way. As an expert in the field of plastic surgery, I do my best to try and find plausibility in these allegations to a certain degree. So, when it comes to Christina Applegate, there is absolutely no evidence whatsoever that she got plastic surgery or bad plastic surgery, and I can't even think of a plastic surgical procedure that could generate the change that I've seen in Miss Applegate's face. Let's take it back a step. Christina Applegate has suffered quite a bit since 2000. If you recall, she's had a scare of breast cancer, and then she's had MS more recently. She is now using a cane to ambulate. She has a difficult time walking. She's had issues with finishing TV roles because of her condition.
Most of all, to my family. I don't say that I have friends. I have family. These people take care of me. They take care of me every day of my life, and without them, I don't know what I would do.
She is a hero. She is bringing the horror that is multiple sclerosis to the limelight. She's bringing attention to a terrible disease by putting herself out there and talking about it. About breast cancer, about the BRCA1 gene, about why she had to have 2 mastectomies for breast cancer on one side. Things that the public wouldn't otherwise recognize, she brings to light by putting it all out there. Not for PR. She doesn't look her best right now. She's doing it because these issues deserve attention. Christina Applegate is a modern day hero.
Well, you certainly know how to compliment a woman. Now, if you'll excuse me.
She is exposing herself to the world in a not pretty light, and yet she gets these allegations from the public about undergoing bad plastic surgery. And she takes it to the next level by handling these allegations with a grain of salt, by laughing at them. And as I discovered more about Christina Applegate in preparing for this video, I recognized that she is a role model. If you go back and you look through all of her Twitter messages, there is not 1 ounce of negativity. Everything is hopeful and positive. And what I would ask the community in evaluating Christina Applegate is to stop making allegations. First of all, from an objective standpoint, there is no plastic surgery that can cause the changes that you see in Christina. This is age-related, hormone-related, possibly thyroid-related, and more importantly, no facelift is going to make you look that swollen. This is weight gain. This is aging. This is things that are gracefully tolerated. And when you have a positive mindset like Christina does, you're gonna get through this process. And all I ask is that the community at large respects her and looks at her in a positive light and says, gosh, this lady is staying positive despite a lot of adversity.
You are my everything. Thank you for standing beside me through all of this. Oh, by the way, I have a disease. Anyway, did you not notice? What? I'm not even wearing shoes. Anywho, you're supposed to laugh at that. Anyway, to my beautiful family, to my Marlon, my Martine, to my, look, I can't, Mandy, Farrell, Rob, I can't, there's too many of you over there. Okay, thank you so much. This is an incredible honor.
So that's my spiel. Plastic surgery, no. An awesome human being that I was very happy to do some research on and gain spiritually from, yes. If you like this video and you're open to hearing an opposing viewpoint from time to time, please make sure to turn your notifications on and subscribe to my channel. I'd be flattered. Thank you so much. If there's anybody else you want to hear about or hear my thoughts on, do not hesitate to write them in the messages below.